A quick comment on this example. So as you see, this has exactly the same functionality of the accumulator example we have seen just above, this one. But in this version, we were obliged to ask the user for input before entering the loop. Why? Because just at the start of the loop, we're checking the user input against the word sum to make sure that the user doesn't want to quit. So because of that, we need to have some value in the user input, and we could put the number 0 there because summing 0 to the total doesn't make any difference, but in general, for more general applications, you have to get started from somewhere, so you have to ask the user for input. Now if we go down here, we see that that's no longer necessary. So what are we doing here? First of all, this while has become a while true. If you remember, that's while condition. So true is always true. It's a condition that never becomes false. Therefore, this loop loops forever. Now, if you see something like that, you know immediately that there must be a break somewhere in, because there must be a way of getting out of this loop. Otherwise, your system will never become available again. And indeed, what we do inside the loop is that we ask the user for input. Then, if the user input is equal sum, which is a signal for us to terminate the loop, we break out of the loop. And control goes to this line where we print the result. If otherwise the user input is not sum, we convert it to a number and we sum it to the total, to the running total, and we carry on. So the function is the same as we had before, but we have saved ourselves the trouble of typing one extra input instruction.